How AI helps you go viral on YouTube. Complete beginner-friendly guide. Growing on YouTube is not easy anymore. Millions of videos are uploaded every day, and competition is very high. Many creators work hard, but still do not get views. This is where artificial intelligence, AI, becomes powerful. AI is changing how content is created, optimized, and promoted. It helps creators understand what people want to watch. It also helps in making better titles, thumbnails, and scripts. What is AI in YouTube? AI means machines or software that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. On YouTube, AI is used in many ways. To recommend videos to viewers, to understand what users like, to rank videos in search results, to suggest content ideas. For example, when you watch one video, YouTube shows similar videos. That is AI working behind the scenes. AI studies watch time, click rate, user behavior, engagement, likes, comments, shares. Based on this data, it decides which video should go viral. Why choose AI for YouTube growth? Many people think hard work alone is enough. But today, smart work is more important. Here's why AI is a smart choice. 1. Saves time. AI tools can create scripts, titles, and ideas in minutes. You do not need to spend hours thinking. 2. Better content ideas. AI analyzes trends and suggests topics that people are already searching for. 3. Improves SEO. AI helps you use the right keywords so your videos can rank higher on YouTube and Google. 4. Increases engagement. AI can guide you to create content that people will watch till the end. 5. Helps beginners. Even if you are new, AI makes things simple and easy. But here is a reality check. If your content is boring, AI cannot save it. Content quality still matters most. How to use AI step by step. Follow this simple process to use AI for YouTube success. Step 1. Find viral topics. Use AI tools to discover trending topics. Search for what is trending on YouTube. Popular topics in your niche. Choose topics that solve a problem or answer a question. Step 2. Create a strong title. AI can generate catchy titles. Example: bad title, AI and YouTube. Good title: how AI helps you go viral on YouTube fast. Your title should create curiosity. Step 3. Write a script. Use AI to write your video script. Tips: keep sentences short. Use simple words. Add emotion and storytelling. Do not copy blindly. Always edit and add your personal touch. Step 4. Design thumbnails. AI tools can suggest thumbnail ideas. Best practices: use bright colors. Add big text. Show emotions: shock, surprise, excitement. Thumbnail plus title equals click. Step 5. Optimize SEO. Use AI to find keywords. Write descriptions. Add tags. Example keywords: AI YouTube growth. How to go viral. YouTube algorithm tips. This helps your video reach more people. Step 6. Post at the right time. AI tools can suggest the best time to upload. Posting at the right time increases visibility. Step 7. Analyze performance. After uploading, check watch time, click-through rate, audience retention. AI tools can show what is working and what is not. Improve your next video based on data. Types of AI tools for YouTube. There are many types of AI tools. Each helps in a different way. 1. Content creation tools. These tools help in writing scripts and ideas. 2. SEO tools. They help you find keywords and improve ranking. 3. Thumbnail generators. They create attractive thumbnails. 4. Voice and video AI tools. They can create voiceovers or even videos automatically. 5. Analytics tools. They study your channel performance and suggest improvements. Do not try all tools at once. Start with 1 to 2 and grow slowly. Benefits of using AI. Using AI can give you a strong advantage. 1. Faster growth. AI helps you create more content in less time. 2. Better accuracy. It uses real data, not guesswork. 3. Consistency. You can post regularly without stress. 4. More creativity. AI gives ideas you may never think of. 5. Higher chances of viral content, because your content is optimized and targeted. Important truth: some people think AI will make them famous overnight. That is not true. AI helps you, but you must stay consistent. You must understand your audience. You must keep improving. AI is a powerful tool for YouTube growth. It can help you create better content, reach more people, and increase your chances of going viral. But success does not come from tools alone. It comes from smart strategy, simple content, consistency. If you use AI wisely, you can grow faster than most creators. Start small, stay focused, and keep learning. Subscribe my channel and share this video if you learned something new.